Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to exit from a WhatsApp group. So if you're in a WhatsApp group and you want to leave the group, in this video I will show you how you can exit in few seconds. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open up your WhatsApp. So let me tap on WhatsApp to open up. Right there guys, can see my WhatsApp account is opening up. So once your WhatsApp account opens up, the next step you have to take now is to select the WhatsApp group that you want to exit from. So let me tap on this one right there to select it. Then after that, what you have to do now is to tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on where you can see more. That's the last option. You can see it right there, more. So let me tap on it. Then right here you can see where it is written exit group. That's the second option. So let me tap on it. Right there you can see what's written there, exit group. You can see only group admins will be notified that you left the group. So for you to exit, you have to tap on where you can see exit right there in green color. So let me tap on exit. You can see it's removing. It said please wait a moment. It's loading up. Wow guys, can see now I've been able now to leave the group. I've been able now to exit the group. To confirm that, can see what's written there. It says you can't send message to this group because you're no longer a member. You can see down there. So guys, this is how you can be able to exit from any WhatsApp group on your mobile device. And I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.